So hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So in this video I'm going to share my self-given analysis of IBPS CLERK Mains 2025. Okay, and these are some of the topics which I remember. Okay, so they asked the IUCN World Conservation Congress venue, so that is UAE I guess. Then they had given the Nirmala Sitharaman, she is the current finance minister, and which of the following ministry, another ministry she belongs. Okay, so that is the corporate affairs. Then this course platform is related to the SEBI. Then UNHRC, so India is the host for how long? I mean, they has the duration, I think, from January 2026 to 2028, so that is 3 years. Okay, then GI tag question, that is Pochampalli Aikat, so I don't know how to pronounce it, so sorry if I'm pronouncing it differently, I mean not correctly. So this is Telangana. Then RRT, this is the messaging app which was related to Zoho. Then brand ambassador of Viksit Bharat Buildathon, that is Subhanshu Shukla. So I marked this one, and this one. Okay, then UDID digits, how many digits are there here? Because I was having confusion between the 16 and 18, so I didn't mark this. I think the answer for this is 18. Okay, then Omkareshwara floating solar power plant, so power park, so where is it situated? So it is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, then Sultan Zohar Cup is related to which of the following sports? So it is hockey. Then Betla National Park, so it is situated in Jharkhand. Then one question was related to the new GST slab, like which of the following is not included under the GST slab 18. Okay, so then which of the following personalities scored the most goals till now? I think for that will be the Cristiano Ronaldo. But I was like, maybe someone has broken the record of the Ronaldo, so I thought like that. So that's why I didn't mark it, but the answer was Ronaldo only. Then one was like UK Prime Minister, that is Keir Starmer. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it was starting with KEIR. Then Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, so they asked the age criteria like 18 to how many years, that is 50 years, and the second largest serving prime minister. So for this I was having doubt between the Indira Gandhi and Narendra Modi, so that's why I didn't answer this. So do let me know in the comment section what was the answer for this. Then one was like the Karnataka Kannada poet Booker Prize for the poem, that is Heart Lamp. Then PCAF. So for this, as the first first bank to do the partnership in PCAF, I was like, okay, I didn't saw the options properly. I just read the Bank of India. I thought I marked the Union Bank of India, but actually I marked the SBI, because SBI also there, the Bank of India comes. So like that, in a hurry I marked it. And this I got to know after I was left with 3 seconds. So even after I was about to click on it, but it got submitted. That section got submitted. So I think I just attempted only one question in 2 mark and 6 questions in 1 mark. I know I did very badly in the GS section because it was not on that difficult side. So I felt it difficult because I read only the October month. So I was able to answer only 6 to 7 questions, and I think nowadays in banking examinations, so I think 4 to 5 or 3 to 4 questions were from static side only, like and it's not like they comes from the uh, recent months only. It may be of the common sense questions, so like that. I mean, if you are familiar with the daily topics or daily news, so you are able to answer it, like the Narendra Modi question, Nirmala Sitharaman question, and also Cristiano Ronaldo, and then some of the national parks. Okay, so but I didn't do well in this examination. So and already in out of 8 marks I already did 2 marks wrong because of marking the SBI as answer. So I think I may score between 4 to 5, I mean 4 to 4.50 or 4.75. So this is what I'm expecting in the GS section. Then coming to the English section, I did 24 questions. And English section, I felt it was compared to SBI clerk mains, it was on easier side. So I don't know why, like in IBPS PO mains exam, so I didn't felt like it was on difficult side. But this time SBI clerk also I felt it difficult because of English section, because they introduced a new type of questions which I haven't seen till now. Okay, then so I attempted only 24 questions. And so coming to the each topics, so there were closed test and um, two error identifying sentences, and the word swap questions were there, and two RC were there, and one was full lengthy, and one was on doable side. It was not that easy, but after reading the passage I think some questions were on doable side. So overall I attempted only 24 questions in English section. And coming to the reasoning section, this is the worst exam that I attempted, because I don't know. See, I do well in the prelims examination, so I score above the cutoff in the prelims examination. But in mains, I don't know what happens with me. I don't know whether I make mistake in the choosing questions, or but most of the times I got panic in the examination hall, so I end up attempting less number of questions. um, so in reasoning section I just attempted 5 questions in 2 mark and 5 questions in 1 mark. So it's not like I didn't attempt any other questions. Like I tried solving the direction distance, but I don't know, I didn't get the answers which was there in the options. um, like it was yeah, the direction says topic consists of 3 questions I guess, but I was getting the answers which was not there in those options. Okay, so that's why I left it. And after that I thought, let me solve. Yeah, one thing was like, do clarify this. So there was one miscellaneous question, I think 3 questions were on there like this. They had given some of the codes and some of the alphabets, and they have mentioned that like if the odd digit is followed by that symbol, and so like that some conditions were there. So after reading that question, I suddenly got blank. I don't know what happened that time, so I was not able to decode what was the pattern came in the examination, and how to solve I was not able to think. Okay, so that's when I left that question also. So after that I searched like, okay, let me see, I think maybe some of the questions were doable, so let me search for the silogs and inequalities. So there was no single question on inequalities and silogs, because in earlier exams, so there used to be a question like, choose which of the following is definitely false or definitely true, and reverse syllogism, coded syllogism, so like that. But this time it was not like that. So after that, seriously I was having very less time. So in that I tried solving that age based puzzle, so this also killed most of my time. So after that I thought, okay, at least I have to attempt some of the questions in this section. So then I attempted that north facing and south facing linear based, like one variable based puzzle, I mean sitting arrangement. So I was able to solve it. I think south facing were more than the north facing, so that one I solved and I got the answer for that. But currently I was not able to recollect, so if I remember I will pin it in the description or comment section. Okay, so overall as I said, I did only 5 questions in 2 mark and 5 questions in 1 mark. So I know this is very bad attempts, but what can I do? Then coming to the quant section, so this time, yeah, okay, there were 5 approximation questions were there, and 2 quadratic equations. uh, then then yeah, then number series questions were there, I think 2 questions, and another 2 questions were there on the other side. um, I So and two DI were there and one caselet was there. So caselet actually, while watching it, was I was feeling like it was on doable side, but I don't know because I didn't attempted it. So do let me know whether it was on doable side or not. So then I attempted one DI, that is like physics and chemistry percentage they had given in the pie chart. So after that they had given the average of um, the physics and chemistry marks scored by the ABCD. Okay, so that was on doable side, but the questions were lengthy, and one more DI was there, but I didn't solve it. Okay, and while doing this only, I my all my time got exhausted. Then so here also my attempts were like I did 7 questions from 2 mark, I think 5 questions from 1 mark. So overall my attempts, if I consider, I think it's only 52. I know it is very very bad attempts compared to this exam level. Mm, but this time actually I attempted so many mock tests like sectional mock, full length mock. But except GI section, I think I improved a bit. But GA I have to read now because my only hope now is that RRB. Uh, I have to see. So maybe they have to release the admit card of the RRB clerk shortly because the exam will start from the December 6th only. So now it's already 30th of November. So we hardly have 5 days left. So we'll see when they will release, and also we are waiting for the IBPS PO mains result. So I don't know when they will release. Already some link is circulating in the Telegram, like it will be out. So this thing happened so many times. Like during the SBI clerk prelims results, also they were telling like 4 to 5 days back. So the result will be out, but still the result was not out. And also regarding the IBPS clerk prelims result, so that one also they were telling it will be out today, tomorrow, because they already got the backend link, but the result declared after I think 4 5 days. Okay, so this time also already the link is circulating, but don't know when they will release. And on all the best for your IBPS PO mains result and also the RRB clerk prelims. And thanks for watching. Do subscribe Banking Spark.